now cut across to all our top stories on Day Tonight. Let's begin with the Dharmendra passing. Extremely tragic story that came in. This is, it seemed like for the last few weeks he was extremely ill. There were rumors initially about his health and him giving up, but then that turned out to be false. But today, sadly, the legendary actor Dharmendra, the He-Man as he's called of Bollywood, has passed away. He was a star who embodied charm and strength and simplicity for over 6 decades. He had prolonged illness and sadly passed away this morning. He was 89 years of age, just days away from turning 90. On December 8th is his birthday. A Padma Bhushan awardee, former MP from Bikaner, Dharmendra wore all hats, a politician, an artist, an actor. You know, we could say that he really, in his one life that he's lived, he's touched billions of lives all over through his films and politics. Though his political stunt was very short-lived, but nonetheless, he won as MP from Bikaner in 2004 Lok Sabha elections from the BJP. Dharmendra's journey from a small Punjab town to more than 300 films that he's done and countless blockbusters in cinematic history has left quite an indelible ink within the fraternity. The Deol family is currently in mourning. He's survived by 6 of his children. Tributes have poured in across the industry. Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan, Aamir Khan, Rajnikant, Allu Arjun, Mahesh Babu, just about the entire fraternity coming together, mourning his loss. Political leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Rajnath Singh, Omar Abdullah, honouring the legend, speaking highly of Dharmendra as a man who's contributed so much to cinema and more. A towering figure, Dharmendra effortlessly moved between action, comedy and drama. Those who watched his movie saw how he, first of all, was an absolute looker, quite the charmer, and would essay any role with such ease. Dharmendra leaves behind such extraordinary films that he was part of. He was one, in fact, the highest paid actor. In Sholay, he earned 1.5 lakhs. At that point, it was known to be the highest paid fees for an actor. And before that, he had his struggles. He worked as a railway clerk for 125 rupees a month, and from that humble beginning, he moved on to becoming the biggest superstar of Indian cinema. For generations, he was known as Veeru of Sholay, the romantic hero of the 60s, the 70s, the ever-loved star of Phool Aur Patthar, Chupke Chupke, Khamoshi, Satyakam. These are some of the stories and films that really pushed him to the forefront as a superstar in cinema. Fans gathered outside his home. We saw people there mourning, remembering the man who made them laugh, cry, made them dream. India remembers Dharmendra, the superstar, the icon, the legend, the man who gave Hindi cinema its heart.